Hi, if you want to do your PhD from US, then this video is for you. Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Accelerate to Achieve. I hope you all are doing well and safe. I am Sultan Sheikh, PhD scholar Hamad bin Khalifa University, Qatar. In this video, I am going to talk about US Pakistan Knowledge Corridor PhD scholarship. So let's get started. My dear friends, let me clear you one thing. This scholarship is for only Pakistani nationals. So, dear friends, first of all, you have to open this website. I had put this link in the description below. Once you open this website, you will find this web page. Now here, let's discuss about the scholarship categories first. So in this scholarship, there are three different scholarship categories: Category 1, 2, and 3. Category 1 is that scholarship in which you have to secure admission in the top 50 QS ranked US university, and you must have the valid GRE general score minimum 300 in total, or HET score minimum 60%. Okay. Second, the scholarship category is that you have to secure admission in a US university that falls in the list of top 300 QS world ranking, and you must have a valid GRE score minimum 300 in total, or HET minimum 60%. Okay. And category 3 is that you have to secure admission along with complete tuition waiver for the entire scholarship period in a designated US university. Okay. So these are the three different scholarship categories. Now let's talk about it, how you can apply for this scholarship. To apply for this scholarship, you have to open the link, that is scholarships.hack.government.pk. And if you don't have any profile on Hack, then you have to first create your profile by using your CNSC, and then you have to fill the application form. How you can fill the application form? You have to go in your profile into the scholarship and grants, and then US Park Knowledge Corridor application. Okay. Important thing to note here is that all applicants will be required to show commitment to serve in Pakistan after completion of studies. The grant will be offered for a maximum period of 5 years. HEC attested documents are not required at the time of application submission. Those who are shortlisted will be asked to submit the HEC attested documents later. Applicants are advised to download the filled application form for record purpose. Misstatement, misrepresentation of information in the application form can lead to disqualification, cancellation of the scholarship award at any stage of the program. Okay, and if you want to send any documents later on, then the postal address is this one. Okay, now means you don't need to attach the documents, and you have to sign the bond with the HEC, and you have to come back to Pakistan after completion of your studies. Okay. Now let's talk about the eligibility criteria. So eligibility criteria is that you must be a Pakistan or AJK national. You must have a minimum 4-year bachelor degree, maximum 2 second divisions, and no third division in the entire academic career. However, in case of category 1 and 2, admission in a top 50 and 300 QS ranking university, scholarship maximum 1 second division in the entire academic career is acceptable. Okay. Maximum age on the closing date shall not exceed 40 years in case of regular faculty member of public sector university, government colleges, and researchers of approved register or the organization, and 35 years in all other cases. And you must not availing any other scholarship. And if you have a PhD degree already, so you are not eligible. Okay. So this is the general eligibility criteria for this scholarship. If you want to read about the general instructions, then you can click on the general instruction and you can read about these general instructions. Okay. And for the specific instruction, you can visit this web page. And if you want to know more about the agreement documents for selected students, then you can check these documents by yourself. And there are certain universities having the agreement with HEC. So the scholarship cover living expenses and return airfare. However, it does not cover tuition fees. Higher Education Commission has negotiated tuition fee waiver for Pakistani students with the different ranked universities, and these universities are given here. Okay, so you have to look at these universities as well. Now, let's talk about the list of selected universities who has a partnership or I would say that agreement for this scholarship. So this is the list of the all US universities and their ranking is given as well. So you can see data which university has which ranking and you can apply accordingly. Okay. Now let's talk about the FAQ section. Actually, FAQ section is one of the most important section I like because it answer a lot of your questions. Okay, so if you have any question, kindly I would request you to please read the question and answer in this section before commenting any question on my video. Okay, because most of the questions and their answers are given here. Okay, so that's it. If you have any other question which is not actually mentioned over here, then you can comment in the comment box below. So thank you so much. See you in the next video. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.